Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will be learning how to take the backup of our registry and how to restore it, and how to navigate to a specific key very quickly and easily. So let's start. First we need to go to the registry, so we will type in the search box, that is regedit. Either you can type regedit or registry editor and simply right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes on user account control window. So we will get the registry editor window open. So if you are making any change in registry to fix any problem, it is always better to take the backup of the registry first. And if you want to take the backup of your registry, click on the computer at the very top and simply click on file and then click export. You can give it a name. Registry backup, and just select the location. I'm going to save it to the desktop, so I have selected desktop and click on save. So it will take few seconds and will create a backup on the desktop for your computer's registry. Okay, backup is done. Now how we can restore the backup of registry if we have taken any before making any changes. To revert those changes, you just need to simply go to file and click on import, and it will ask you the location where exactly your backup is saved. So since my backup is saved on the desktop, so I can select it from here and simply click on open. It will restore the backup of registry. Now the third thing which I was about to tell you, that if you want to go to a specific key very quickly and easily, you can type the location of that key up at the top. So this place which you see is the place where you can type or copy and paste the location of that particular key and press enter, and it will directly take you to that specific key. For example, in cases of CD DVD drive is not working or not reading the disc, people delete upper filter or lower filter and they go to this location. So if I want to go to this location quickly, I'll copy it from here and I'll paste it over there and simply press enter. So it will take me to that particular key, and from here we can select the further option. I believe that is 4D36E965. this is the key. So if you have that also added, it will take you directly to that particular key. So I'll show it to you again. I'll copy it and I will put a slash here and I'll paste it over here. So now I have the complete location of the key I want to go to. So I'll delete that computer from there. I'll copy this location and I'll paste it over there, and as soon as I press enter, it will take me to that particular key. So it is that simple now. So I will close the registry editor. Well, that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.